How to turn YouTube videos into notes using Mapify AI. First, open your web browser and go to mapify.so. Then sign into your account or click Get Started Free to create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, select the YouTube option. Then copy the link of the YouTube video you want to summarize and paste it into the input box. After pasting the link, click the Generate button or Mapify button. Mapify AI will analyze the video's content and automatically create structured notes and a visual mind map with the main ideas and key points. Once the notes are ready, review the content and click any section to edit, add new points, or remove information that you don't need. Finally, click Export to download your notes or mind map as a PDF, image, or another supported format. You can also use the Share option to send it to others. That's it! You've successfully turned a YouTube video into notes using Mapify AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.